Raise your hand if you like candles. I'm Katie.
I'm Shyla.
We're certified aromatherapists for Simply Earth, and we love teaching people how to use essential oils. And today we're going to teach you how to use essential oils by making candles.
A winter woods candle, to be exact.
We both love hiking, so this aroma is perfect for us.
We think you'll really like it.
So to make this amazing winter woods candle recipe, you will need 1 ounce of soy wax, which is about 1/3 of a cup, 1 tablespoon of beeswax, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. You'll also want to use essential oils to scent it. I love this combination of 14 drops lime, 12 drops of pine, and 4 drops of nutmeg essential oil. You'll also need a little jar that's 2 to 3 ounces, and a narrow diameter works well for the wick we're using, and you'll need your wick. If you're a subscriber, you get everything here except for this little jar,
Which you can find at Hobby Lobby or like Joann Fabrics.
any craft store, or there's a bunch at thrift stores, so you can come up with some really fun candle containers. She's got a fun cat one that we got at Goodwill. Yeah, that's what you need. Let's go ahead and get started.
All right.
So now we have a double boiler set up, which is a really gentle way to melt our ingredients. If you want, you can do this in the microwave for 30 seconds and then 15-second intervals at like power level 5. This is just, you have more control over melting it, so we like to use a double boiler. It does take a little bit longer. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna melt our ingredients, and then we'll add our essential oils.
Okay.
So let's go ahead and start. So we'll add our soy wax, beeswax, and coconut oil. You can make a great candle just using soy wax or just using beeswax. We're doing it this way to get the most out of our ingredients.
Okay.
I also like the consistency that this candle makes. It burns at a really great rate. That works well with the wick we're using.
All right, here we go. All right, we're melted.
We are melted! All right, so now we've got our wax. We're gonna let it cool just a little bit. If it's too hot at the time we put our essential oils in, the essential oils will evaporate right away, and then you won't have your beautifully scented candle. You'll just have a pretty candle. So let's let it cool just a little bit. For our winter woods scent, we're gonna add 14 drops of lime, 12 drops of pine, and 4 drops of nutmeg. All right, then give it a good stir to make sure that essential oil is incorporated throughout the candle.
It smells really good.
Yeah, it seems like a funny combination of oils, but it is so good. You will not be disappointed.
Oh, yeah.
I love this. All right, so once that's mixed in, you can go ahead and pour it into your candle. So what we're gonna do is put a little bit of this wax on the bottom of our candle wick to help secure it. We'll let that cool.
Perfect.
And then we'll pour in our candle. And we have a little bit of extra wax left over. It doesn't quite fit in our candle holder. That's okay, we're gonna use it in our wax potpourri discs recipe. So go check that recipe out. All right, so we'll let this cool. Once it's all the way cooled, we'll trim the wick and it's ready to be used.
All right.
So now that our candle has cooled, it does look like the wick wandered a little bit. I don't mind. But you can prop it up with 2 spoons or 2 pencils to make sure it stays in the middle. And we're gonna label it. If you're a subscriber, these come in the box. You just cut them out. All right, and then we'll trim the wick so that it's about 1/4 inch long.
Let there be light. Oh, yeah, now I can smell it. I was gonna say it's not burning yet.
Yeah, you do need the wax to melt to get the smell out, but
Yeah.
smells so good. It's like walking in a winter wonderland. I'm Katie.
And I'm Shyla.
We're certified aromatherapists. We love teaching people how to use essential oils like in this candle recipe.
Our recipe box comes with 4 full-size oils plus 6 recipes on how to make toxin-free products in your home, just like this candle.
Yes, so this candle recipe comes in our November box, so be sure to check it out. Thanks for watching.
See you later.
All of this, except this, comes in your box. So